दोस्तों, आज मैं तुम लोगों को एक कहानी सुनाऊंगा।
Let's take a trip in the time when the human race just began. It was dark and dangerous time indeed. The man was powerless because he was alone in the game of survival. Na sangi, na sathi. He hunted alone when hunger overpowered. His days were spent in looking for shelter. जबकि रातें कट रही थीं जिंदा रहने की तरकीब सोचने में. But then, a big bang idea came to his mind one day.
If we stay together, we survive.
We can achieve what we cannot by remaining alone. Together we can create a better world for everyone. Together we can build a future of our choice. Yes, it was up to us. It will remain up to us.
In war, there is one thing more important than killing. Surviving.
Force Burgeon is built around the same principles of shared intelligence, shared power and shared vision.
दुनिया में ऐसे ऐसे हीरे पैदा हुए जिन्होंने सारी दुनिया का नक्शा ही बदल दिया, क्योंकि ये दुनिया को अपनी अलग नजर से देख पाए। दिमाग उनके जरा हटके थे, आसपास वालों को बर्दाश्त नहीं हुई, तकलीफें खड़ी कर दी। इसके बावजूद वो जीते और ऐसे जीते कि दुनिया देखती रही।
We Burgeonites are a great force of warriors who have conquered the market in the past and will continue to do so. With fire that cannot be extinguished, with hunger that cannot be sated, and with force that cannot be resisted. In 2015, Force Burgeon will rewrite the rules of success by creating important action at every level. Important action for Burgeon, important action in the market.
एक बात याद रखना तुम लोग, असली पावर दिल में होती है.
Star territory. Next will be a challenge.
In spite of all hurdles.
So tighten your belt.
Leaders, and strong leaders, not just a leader.
Keep your people with you.
In this rapidly changing scenario where markets are nothing less than a battlefield, we will prove once again that Force Burgeon will conquer the incongruent. Today, we take pledge that Force Burgeon will be invincible force in its covered market.
In this moment, on this day, become the man you were born to be.
Force Burgeon will reach its customers, understand their needs and support them in better patient care. Force Burgeon will create a strong impact with the 3 C's: coverage, communication and conversion. As Force Burgeon, we promise ourselves that we will take Gemkill 150 crore, Uprise D3 50 crore. We Force Burgeon will utilize all the resources at its command. We the Force Burgeon, the ultimate force. Because we believe